In this video we are going to convert this Figma home page into the WordPress Elementor. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to do all the images need to export and ensure that the design is okay. So let's go. We have to first of all need to export. So that's why I am now exporting. First is the logo. Okay, or if you already know that how to export in the Figma, so you can skip that, because in this video I am not doing anything for WordPress or designing, so you can skip that. Or if you don't know what you have to do export, like which image you already need or don't need, and you can continue this. Okay, so for this, just what I have to do, I am just selecting the logo. Okay, or you can select in this, you can also, like when selecting this one, first one, you can select a single as, and you can select for multiple, for select shift, and both of these already select, sorry, not shift, control, and both of you can select. Here is click, and then first one click, and then second one, then it's already selected. So what you have to do for this now, or you can choose here to left side the full the columns, okay, or area. Then you have to come to the right section, and here you can see the export option. Okay, or somehow you can see this like this. Okay, preview will not show, thus you can click here, preview will be show. Okay, so we need to 2x pixel because it will be more clear. Okay, so logo does not have any background, so we have to do just as PNG. Okay, I'm just export here, and I'm saving in a folder which is already here. Logo already name here showed, so that's why I'm saving. Okay, already saved. Now first one is completed, and then what we have to just click the image. Okay, or you can select as control. Okay, then just here export. Okay, that's it, and just export the image. Okay, sorry, cancel. We need to 2x, it will be more clear and visible. Another thing, since this is the image, full image, there is no, we need to full background, so just for it will be JPG. Okay, just export, and then now here you can call hero left image. Okay, and next one is right. So again I'm going to export the image, just export, and then now here writing right. Sorry, one more thing you have to do, this is a PNG, so it's already here selected PNG, so you have to be careful when you are exporting, is that image is already clear or not. Okay, right, I'm just here writing right. Okay, we have completed the hero section, you already know. And now I am doing all the image faster, all the image doing quickly, export all the image logo. So, and you can skip now this video, because this is the end of video, and you will be see next time. We will start next video the designing part from header area 2. This is the first of the video. Thank you for watching the video, and next time I will bring up the next part of the video, and this will be interesting, and you will be learn how to design the Figma design into the WordPress Elementor. Thank you for watching the video.